Have I got something to show you guys? As you know from the title of the video, I just received my Inspire 2. I've never really done an open box video before, so in this video, I wanted to show you my latest addition to my drone family. All right, let's get this thing open. You know what, I think this is the camera, so I'm probably gonna start with this first. So what I have here is the latest addition to my drone family. I was using this, I still use this. This is the Phantom 3 Pro. This drone right here has been my go-to thing for travel, everything. I've shot many things with this. I first started shooting music videos. It shoots 4K, doesn't shoot 4K RAW. Believe it or not, I've even shot movies with this. I've shot Lifetime movies with this, Amazon TV show, independent movies, movies that gone to theater. But why I'm upgrading is that ever since I got more in depth with the drone industry, and since my business has been growing, I thought it was time to upgrade to the Inspire 2. And I'll probably end up getting a couple more of them just for safety. So when you're on a shoot, I just have a backup drone to go to. So this is the first. I want to test it out before I start investing in more drones. I don't want to bore you guys even more. I just want to get into this and show you guys what it looks like. And I'm sure you guys seen, there's probably tons of videos out there on YouTube already with unboxing videos, but maybe in this video, you'll see something that you missed in the others. So let's get it. This is the Zenmuse X5S. This camera is the cat's meow. But yeah, as you can see, it's a huge step up. I mean, there's no comparison. Oh wow. It comes in this little box, which looks kind of stylish, I'm not gonna lie. Look at this. There it is, baby. Look at this, guys. Look how they boxed this up. Nice little, it looks like it's a pretty protective case that's made for traveling. But I'll open it up here, right in frame for you. And there it is. This is the bad boy right here. So we have obviously the lens itself. This is the gimbal. All right, let's just take it out of the box here. Set that here. But this is the gimbal. Obviously lens cap, pop that off, pop that on. It does come with a looks like a 15mm lens. As you can see, you can adjust your aperture from 1.7. It seems like you can put it in automatic from 1.7 though. You can go all the way up to 16. When you're upgrading to the Dji Inspire 2, this right here is the game changer. This is why you get the Inspire 2. It's capable of shooting 5.2K RAW CNDG. It's also capable of shooting 4K UHD ProRes, 4K 422 HQ, 4K 4444 HQ. In comparison to the ARRI Alexa, it's pretty much the same image quality, which is great for a camera this size and a drone. So yeah, that's the camera. Now let's dive into the actual drone itself. I really want to check this out. This is so exciting, guys. For those of you who know me and have been watching this channel for a little while, you guys know I love technology and I love doing this stuff. So looks like. It looks like it comes in it's like a foam type case. You'll probably end up buying another case, probably like a Pelican case with wheels if you're traveling for a job. I don't know, this might get tossed around in customs and by the airport, so it might not hold up the best, but I mean, it's okay for now to get you going. We'll certain that this is the top, this is the bottom. You just take these little clips here. This, and I believe it just lifts off. Now, the only thing I would like, instead of just having the whole lid lift off, if there would have been like hinges back here to just have it open up. I don't know, that's just me. I just think it'll look nicer. There it goes, guys. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh, cool, all right. Let's see if look, it's so big. I don't think it fits on my coffee table. All right, this is the drone. At first glance, it just looks like a beast. It's all carbon fiber. Oh yeah, it's all carbon fiber, but the motors are so big. Okay, all right, let me focus again. Focus! So this is the remote. As you can see, the remote is, wow, okay, so you have HDMI. Just at first glance and just holding it, it's so much more heavier than the original, than the Phantom 3 Pro. So the Phantom 3 Pro has it's kind of weighted, but they also got rid of the plastic thing. And as you can see on my Phantom 3 Pro remote, I took the plastic iPad holder off and I put on this aluminum one because it just, as you guys know who fly, it just wiggled all the time. It was annoying when you're trying to fly, and wow. It even feels nice too. believe it's all aluminum, the shell. And this, I believe, is the battery charger. So you can charge 4 batteries at a time, which is great. And as you know, these batteries, it does take 2 batteries to fly. So yeah, the batteries just plug right in here. And I believe this is most likely the cord for it. Just lift up, and here it is, guys. This is the Inspire Dos. Wow, it's like sturdy too. Like everything's like just solid. These are the front-facing sensors, the bottom sensors, top sensors, just right here. Look at the size of these motors in comparison. Isn't that crazy? No wonder this thing goes 58 miles an hour. And these are the blades, your propellers. So that's cool. They give you an extra pack just in case you mess one up. So now that you see that this is all open, this all cost. That's probably the next question you guys are wondering. It's like, oh my God. Yes, it's a badass drone. Yes, it does this, it does that. It goes 58 miles an hour. It shoots 5.2K raw. You guys know it's really expensive. This right here alone, what you're seeing, 2 batteries, which is 1 flight, the charger, the camera, the drone itself, and obviously the propellers, the boxes and stuff, is $6,000. What? $6,000. Yes, it's really expensive. You can easily spend over $10,000 on this drone, especially if you get into multiple lenses, focus pullers, etc., etc. But I'm still waiting on. I ordered 12 more batteries. I have lenses coming, SSD card. As you guys know, the SSD card is super expensive, but you need it. Yeah, the thing is, like, if you're planning on doing this as a profession, you need an SSD card that's able to hold 5.2K raw footage. This is where I'm just gonna end the video here. I just wanted to do just a really super simple, not very extensive open box, just to show you what comes with the Inspire 2. Actually, while I was doing the open box video, my other batteries did show up. So these are the batteries here. I got some more here, more batteries. If you guys have any questions about this drone or the Phantom 3 Pro, any technical questions, I would love to help you guys out. You can either hit me up on Twitter, on Instagram, or just comment down below. If you guys are interested in knowing the equipment I use for my travel videos, my vlogs, if you guys are interested in my drone business, you can head over to airwolf.la. That's where you'll find like a list of projects I've shot, documentaries, movies, all that jazz. If you want to know more about me personally, you can always head over to wolfgangweber.tv. Everything's down in the description below if you guys want to check that out. Also, if you guys have any questions about FAA regulations, I did end up failing my test the first time. I failed by 2 points, but I did end up passing, but I did make a video about that. I'll leave an iCard up there for you guys if you want to check that video out. Basically, I go into what helped me pass the test. If you have questions regarding FAA or anything, just let me know. And don't forget, I'm here to help you guys out too. Once I have a little more flight time with this drone, I'll probably do a follow-up video with my experiences and the problems I've had or problems I haven't had regarding camera settings, motors, speed, sensors. I'll do all the dirty work and let you guys know what fails and whatnot. Thanks so much again. I'll see you guys next week.